Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty and personal care. Today, we're going to talk about a product that's been making waves in the hair care world, the Healium Hair Black Magic Treatment Mask. If you're looking for a way to restore, hydrate, and revitalize your hair, then this could be the game changer you've been searching for. Let's dive into why the Healium Hair Black Magic Treatment is quickly becoming the best black magic hair reconstructive treatment out there. First off, this isn't just any regular deep conditioner. It's a powerful protein conditioning mask that works its magic in just 3 minutes, once a week. What makes it stand out is its unique formula, which is infused with almost 100% pure soya protein. This is crucial for strengthening the hair from the inside out, repairing damage caused by excessive styling, heat, bleach, and coloring. Imagine, after just one use, your hair feels noticeably smoother, softer, and healthier. This treatment is perfect for all hair types, whether your hair is naturally curly, straight, thick, or fine. It works wonders on dry, chemically treated hair, transforming it from lackluster and brittle to shiny, silky, and full of life. The magic is in the mask's ability to hydrate and deeply condition the hair while also improving its overall texture and shine. It even tames frizz, leaving you with a more manageable and smoother look. One of the best features of the Healium Hair Black Magic Treatment Mask is its innovative water-soluble carbon black color. Don't worry, this isn't going to stain your hair or leave behind any unwanted residue. The black color gently glides through the hair, making application super easy and mess-free. However, if you have overly porous hair, it's always a good idea to patch test first, just to be safe. This mask is also safe for color-treated hair, meaning it won't strip away your vibrant hues. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your hair. Plus, it's certified by PETA, so it's perfect for those who are conscious about the ethical side of beauty products. Now, let's talk about the results. After using the Healium Hair Black Magic Treatment Mask just once a week, you'll notice a transformation. Your hair will feel stronger, more hydrated, and will have that enviable glossy shine. Whether you're dealing with damaged ends, frizz, or lack of moisture, this product helps to rejuvenate and restore your hair to its natural, healthy state. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, effective hair mask that works quickly and delivers incredible results, the Healium Hair Black Magic Treatment Mask might just be the solution you need. It's easy to use, safe for all hair types, and packed with powerful ingredients that do wonders for your hair's health and appearance. That's it for today's review here at Product Critique. Make sure to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, take care of your hair and stay fabulous.